What is this dude even doing? Working out or what? Bro looks like he's about to shit himself. We'll cruise a bit through the city at night. The boys will pop a few wheelies, chat for a bit, and then head home. Welcome to another night ATV vlog. I hope you're enjoying my content and that you've watched all the videos, and if not, make sure to binge the rest after this one. It's getting pretty cold for riding, especially at night. We've covered a lot of kilometers today, riding both through the city and off-road. I'm definitely feeling tired now. Hands are stiff, but it was still worth it. Night rides like this just have something special, that's why we do it. Becky came by to ride with us today, so we jumped on it right away. When we get together like this, the ride has a totally different energy and it's way more fun for everyone. So sit back, turn up the volume, and let's go, because tonight's ride is gonna be insane. The guys are already feeling good, so expect a proper show, a few wheelies, night vibes, city lights, and a great atmosphere. Let's go! He's still drifting a bit to the left on the wheelies, but we'll get it dialed in over time. Marco's already let the tire go about 5 times today, prefer night rides or daytime rides? Drop a comment below. Don't worry, we always ride by the rules and don't break any laws. The speedometer, though, sometimes shows nonsense. That wheelie came out really solid. He's really improving. Moments like this you could watch non-stop. What do you think? Becky's slowly warming up. Exhausts at night in the city, straight up lambada for the ears. If you ride an ATV, a bike, or a car, send me a pic or video on my socials. I'm curious what you ride. Becky's riding on the back wheel like a pro. Straight up legend. Every wheelie is perfectly controlled, totally effortless. I don't even know how he does it. It's a whole different level. Marco has made a lot of progress, but he's still kind of stiff. He doesn't have that effortless flow like Becky. What do you think about that? We'll have a quick chat, the guys will take one health break, and then we're heading home. I'm pretty happy with today's riding. Hope I've edited together the best stuff for you. Go away, Satan. Don't do anything bad. Ignore this dirty quad. It looks like crap. That's enough for today. I'll write a bit more and then wrap it up. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!